Before we get started, if you look down below in the video description, you'll see the best prices on these parts and tools I used in today's project. So today we're looking at a wheel speed sensor on your 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so today I was doing a wheel bearing. I had to take the wheel speed sensor off anyways. You got 21mm lug nuts. You don't have to take your brake rotor and brakes off and all that. What you'll do is you'll just come on behind here and we'll take a peek, and there she is. So basically this is your wheel speed sensor. I'll just kind of work it. Hold on, I'm gonna get this camera to focus. Come on, nice clear shot. There we go. So it'll just be sitting in there. You'll have a 10mm bolt sitting right there. Let's see if I got them laying around here somewhere. And then you'll just go ahead and you'll put your little thing on there, zip it off, zip your little tin off, and then you'll just kind of wiggle it back and forth a little bit and pull it out. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and if y'all are changing your wheel speed sensor, I need to tell you about that too. What you'll do is you'll just pull this guy out right here, and then you'll come to around here, you'll pull that guy out, and you'll follow this wire up, you'll pull him out of there just like I showed you with the other one. And then let's see, we're gonna probably come just beyond here up under the hood, and there'll be a connector, and we'll disconnect it, and then you'll feed your new connector up there and then come down here. So let's look at that. So I looked under the hood and I was like, oh no, it's buried, but actually you just come right here, just pull this guy back, and you could take that out if you want to, or if you're lazy, you want to just do it quick, you can do it like this. Just pull it back, and then your connector is right there. That's just a little squeeze and pull connector. You just squeeze them, pull them out, click your new one in, and then feed it through like you had, and then just take your new one and stick them back in there and run your 10mm bolt back in, and that's it. So pretty simple little project there. If you have a bad one, sometimes people will remove your wheel hub and won't take it out. They'll break it. Sometimes if you run off the road or something, I've seen them break that way. I've seen a wire break or something like that, but it'll throw your ABS light on and sometimes your traction control light on. So that would be the reason why you replace this thing. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.